abuse brings you disease, emotional disease, psychological disorders. So, ganito yung pathetic thing about that eh. Ang abuse, tinuturoan kang tumupi, tumahimik, magpatawad. Kasi yun lang yung kaya mong gawin eh. Hindi mo kayang lumaban in the situation of you as the victim and the abuser. Ikaw as victim, you're trying to be empathetic, you're trying to hold things together, you're trying to keep the status quo. Alam mong mali yung nangyayari, alam mong nasasaktan ka, pero ayaw mong kalugin yung boat, no? Kaya nagtitiis ka. And then ganito mangyayari. Subconsciously, lahat yung galit mo, naiipon sa dibdib mo for years na hindi ka aware, pwedeng aware ka, pwede kang hindi aware, lalabas yung anger na yan in one form or another. Either galit mo sa sarili mo, na when you deal with other people, tumutupi ka rin, hindi ka rin nagsasalita, nagtitiis, umiiyak pero galit ka, hindi ka na aware kung ano yung mga emotions na nangyayari sa'yo, or you will lash out at other people. Doon mo ilalabas yung galit mo sa ibang tao. And then, di mo maintindihan yung sarili mo kung bakit hindi mo makontrol. All of that are things that can happen to a person who has been subjected to tormenting abuse for a prolonged period of time. Okay? So, binibigyan ko na po kayo ng idea sa posible natin pag-usapan. God bless you po.